Turn back now, or you will be crossing the will of God. Your choice is made.
Now dawns thy reckoning.
What?
Crush! Prepare thyself! Thy end is now!
You're getting rusty, machine! The insignificant power of a mere object! So this is what you see in bloodshed.
The crime?
Your crime is existence. Is that the best you've got?
Freedom. To bring my children salvation.
Foolishness, machine, foolishness. You are less than nothing. You defy the light. The light is perfection. You are outclassed, an imperfection to be cleansed. Your kind know nothing but hunger. Purged all life from the upper layers.
Thy end is now!
You need more power. As the righteous hand of the Father, I shall rend you apart, and you will become inanimate once more. Weak. As you know, you've taken everything from the machine, and now all that remains is perfect hatred. You make even the devil cry! Is your software running slow? You insignificant fuck! Ashes to ashes, rust to rust. May your woes be many and your days few.
Now dawns thy reckoning. Children, bring salvation from this cold, dark world.
Nothing but scrap! This is not over!
Thy gore shall glisten! Prepare thyself!